Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box. This month's theme is Alphabet Marina. There are 5 amazing activities in the box. Beautiful creatures, alphabet phonics, alphabet matching. By Marina Bag is activity maths. The first activity is beautiful creatures. In this fun activity, your child will assemble a frog, a tortoise and a seal using various cutouts. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and cognitive skills. The second activity is alphabet phonics. In this fun game, your child will match various alphabets with the objects while playing an exciting and engaging game. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, observation skills and academic skills. Third activity is alphabet matching. This fun activity focuses on cognitive skills and repetitive behavior to make your child learn about different alphabets and objects associated with them. Your child will match the alphabets and objects in this learning activity. This activity will improve their cognitive skills and academic skills. Fourth activity is My Marina Bag. Your child will have loads of fun while creating their own Marina bag by decorating them with various beautiful, easy to peel off cutouts. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and creative skills. Fifth activity is Educational Activity Maths. There are right and right activity maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills and academic skills. You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharp.